We decided to stick an AR-15 in the concrete, an AK-47 in the concrete. Same shotgun we've been kind of torturing, sent to us by Gun Prime. Aspar, you ready?
I'm ready.
You were born ready?
Yes. When I born, the doctor said to my mom, this guy is ready.
Fire in the hole! Okay, test firing. This works perfectly fine. 7.62 by 39. Okay, here we go. Nothing happened again. The bullet is just disintegrating inside that concrete. Not bad at all. Fire in the hole. And nothing happened. This one broken a lot more pieces.
Yes.
But nothing happened to the cinder block again here.